This was not supposed to happen. We practically did everything in the books. Oh, not Electra. She has gone through a lot.
I am as confused as you are, Your Majesty. But Upana assured us that everything will be fine.
But Richard died. Was that why we went through all that in the first place? To break the curse?
There is more than meets the eye. I think we should go back there and consult him again.
Oh no, I am not returning to that place again. I think he tricked us, seeing how desperate we needed to be saved.
I do not agree with you, Your Majesty. His predictions were right.
Oh no, what do you think that we should do? What do you think?
My princess, eat something. For 2 days now, you've not tasted any food. And this is your favorite. The Queen and I took time to make this specially for you. Please, eat. Eat something.
Electra, time to eat. You have to eat something. You can't continue to starve yourself like this. Please. Okay. Leave me alone. I want to be alone. Get out. Get out. Get out! Oh, get out now! Just get out! I want you to get out! It's fine. Fine. Alright. Electra. Get out of this place! Alright, alright. Get out now! No! Leave me now! Get out! Leave. Just leave us now. Get out! Alright. Out! Out! Get out! Get out, Electra. Yes! All right, Electra, let it out. Scream, Electra. Pour out your heart. It is your right. It's all right. It's all right. All right. You know what? I still see light at the end of the tunnel.
What are you talking about? What light? There is no light at the end of the tunnel that has no end. No light. This situation has no end. Alright. I mean, Richard may have survived the first time, but he was already marked with the curse of the Black Moon. And I am doomed forever. Because your husband did this. He did this to me. He did this to all of us. And, oh dear God, it will only be a matter of time before he comes back to us. When there are no more men to kill, this thing, whatever this thing is that is devouring everybody, will turn around and begin to devour us. We'll all die one by one.
God forbid. Do not speak like that, Electra. Please. Oh, pray it never gets to us.
Oh God, we're gonna need way more than prayers, mother.
Adubu. Adanganga. It's alright.
Ma! 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 I heard a goat just bleat. Where is that goat that just bleat?
You think you're very stupid. Are you mad?
Huh?
Who are you?
Are you talking to me?
No, I'm talking to your grandfather. It's your grandfather I'm talking to.
Fat is like you are drunk. Eh? Eh? See, I've been parading myself in this palace. And it's like you are blind there.
As our village master.
Eh? It's like you are blind. And you are standing like this without you greeting unofficial Igwe. Eh?
Greet you? Wait. Did you say greet you?
Yes.
As what? Do you know who I am in this palace?
Who are you?
Okay, you've not asked. They've not told you. I am the chief maiden. In fact, New Dan.
Hey!
New Dan, Osiso!
Hey! Do you know who I am?
Please shift, don't start.
Do you know before I came to this palace, I was an apprentice to a native doctor for complete 7 good years. Don't allow me to settle myself on your head. I want Trumbe.
This one no mad. This one no running mad. But wait though. He said he has been with the native doctor for 7 years. I need to be careful about this boy, you. I don't know where he's coming. See the way he's even dressed. Like a native doctor. Hope, be very careful though. This one will expose you. Eh?
I will kill you. I will for that. Hey! What is that? Nah. Wait. Mamu! I will kill Hey! Will you stop? What in the name of God is happening here? What is going on here? Igwe, I want to commit evil. Igwe, I want to commit abomination in this palace. Yes, Igwe.
My king.
Oh, will you shut up? How dare you? Thank you very much.
How dare you? How dare you talk back at him? Now listen, the next time you ever challenge his authority in this palace again, you will see the other side of it.
Igwe, thank you. Igwe, thank you. Igwe, no, slap this one.
That's the nuisance.
Hey!
And here you are taking out your anger on these ones.
Hey! 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 Hold it there! I say hold it there! Remove your mouth from my matter, because my matter is my matter. Or I will commit suicide by marrying you.
What did you just say?
Yes, all the 3 men that came to marry her all died. Hanjangor, what is the difference between their death and suicide? Yes!
Princess, excuse me. Princess, excuse Oh no, I need your help urgently. As we speak, my wife and princess are up in arms in the palace. They are demanding seriously that Chukwuka must leave the palace this minute. Otherwise, they will poison him to death.
God forbid.
Oh yes.
I agree that what the young man said about the princess was most outrageous. But what they threatened to do is so grave.
Yes.
Yes. You have to do whatever is possible. You have to placate and stop them. You remember what Okpana said about?
Of course I remember what Okpana said. The queen knows and remember what Okpana said too. But Princess Electra is not aware yet. Because the queen and I decided not to bring her into the picture in this one.
Majesty. Yes. I have to put it to you that not telling her before now is a huge mistake you have made. A mistake that must be corrected to avoid the foretold disaster.
I don't know, that is exactly why I have come to you again. Both of them are not listening to whatever that I am saying as far as this issue is concerned. No, you are one man that both of them listen to. They respect you, and that is why you must come with me to the palace. No, you have to talk to them. Talk sense into them so that they would understand my position too. It is not my fault. Oh no, please, I don't want to die yet. They believe you. They respect you. You have to come and talk to them, please. I'm begging you.
Calm down. Let me quickly rush in and change to something.
Okay.
I'll go with you.
Thank you. Oh no! Oh no, please hurry up! The palace is on fire, please hurry up!
Why is it still occurring? Even after debasing myself, insulting royalty, and the dignity of my human person. Another man down. Why? This is not fair.
Life itself is not fair, my dear. But on my own path, I will try and unravel this mystery. I will go back in time to know if by any chance we missed something. I am not just promising it to you, but I am vowing it to you. Just relax. Calm your nerves.
The dreams, the illusions, the strange woman, they keep reoccurring. I'm almost losing my mind. I'm tired.
Pull yourself together, my princess. I will do whatever in my power to figure out what exactly is going on. Take my word for it.
I'm tired. Heaven knows I'm tired. I'm sick. I'm tired. Tired.
Just take my word. Don't you think that it's too early to be having this discussion?
Too early, you said. Nothing is too early. Nothing is too early. Idenna family has been cast. The dynasty has to move to another family.
I do not want to be part of such conspiracy. Idenna dynasty has been known as the rulers of Iruzo. The first ever king made sure that traditions are followed.
We have been following the tradition. And where has that led us? Look at our princess. any man who comes close to her dies mysteriously will have become a laughing stock to all the surrounding kingdoms. You are talking of following the tradition.
Remember the farmer who planted the corn by the roadside and the one who sells his corn by the same roadside has the same problem. We will wait until we get to the root of this matter. Until then, we will stick to our forefathers.
Well, if that is what you say, let me tell you stuff.
You should have told me this is what you come for.
Oh no, we get you go to about him. Okay, that one.
Now both of you should listen to me. I want the gate on the lock and key all the time. I want both of you to double the security around this premises. What is this? My friend, what is wrong with you? Hey!
Oh, my queen. No, yes. Sorry, my queen. It was the noodle that they served me last night. In fact, ever since I finished eating the noodle, hey, come and see, my anus was rumbling. On our some, I was purging. Hey! From there, the thing transferred itself to my nose. The thing was scratching me. I've been begging the scratch. Let it transfer itself to my anus. At least I can use my hand to be scratching my anus. Scratching it. Then I can use my hand to shake.
Oh, this is Is something wrong with you?
Sometimes.
Are you under a curse?
Maybe.
Must you be this lousy all the time?
Hey! Is it what? La what? Hey! Apologies, my queen.
Now take this animal out of my presence at once.
Hey!
Get out!
Hey! See, being your queen, you have to be queen yourself. Not me. Don't call me animal here. Huh? Don't call me animal. I am Chukwuka. Chukwuka is not animal.
Goodness gracious, God.
Hey, you are a mumu. Huh? Why are you dragging me like a jacket? It's not one. Who do you think you are talking to? Eh?
I was talking to a woman. Eh? Didn't you see her breasts? Onifu area! Onifu! Eh? We are royal guards. We are meant to serve and bow. See, you see, bowing and serving. Count me off! I Chukwuka is like an Iroko. See, let me tell you, Iroko tree does not bow, no matter how strong the wind is. Yeah?
Get back to work and don't be a nuisance.
Let me tell you, be careful, but no you, but I know how to be head. See, I will soon sack you. Opo. Come now, come and challenge me. I will tell you who I am in this palace. Yeah?
Diara.
Yo
make una call me mumu. I am a mumu. Make una call me mumu.
Hey, hold it there.
Since you're mad.
Yeah? Mumu girl, men looking at you. You look like a mumu from head to toe.
See this?
Yeah? Let me tell you, go inside there and bring food for me. I'm hungry.
As what?
Eh?
Eh? When you were threatening me, you did not know that you eat. Go to your ancestors, let them give you food to eat. Or better still, invoke food and eat.
Hey!
Nonsense.
Hey! You are pushing me. You are threatening me.
What will you do? What will you do? See this one.
See, I'm going to poison the whole house, the whole family, just like this. Bam! Madam, and the death will start from you.
Chukwuka,
Huh?
I did not say you will not eat. I only said I'm not going to be the one to give you the food. Why are you talking like this? You will eat now.
I want to I want to I want to what for me? I want to 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 I want
You don't say you will not eat. You will eat your food. Go to myself into. Chukuk, I'm sorry. Chimo. Chukuk, what is it? What is it now? What did I do? I did not.
I want to See, look at. I'm going to give you epilepsy. Forget about all this stuff for that year. Is it today? Today is the day. I prepared for you. Look at. You don't want to give me food?
Oga Chukwuka.
Amaka, please help me touch Chukwuka. I did not say you will not eat. I did not say you will not eat. Please.
Oga Chukwuka, please, don't mind this girl. We all know her in this palace. That's how our mouth used to run. Please accept this food.
See your food, please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. See your food.
Hey! Cholo.
Sorry.
In short, I'm not eating again.
Hey!
I must strike this girl with epilepsy. Maku akuku. Ina kosisa somebody.
I'm sorry.
Mwah!
I was only joking. Ask Amaka. She knows I'm only joking like this. I did not mean it.
Oga Chuchu, please, should I kneel down and beg you? Ignore this girl and eat your food, please. Eh? Butu, Una. Butu. Oga Chuchu.
Bring it.
Yes, sir. Oga Chukwuka.
I want to before I will change my mind. Hey! Onyara, kita kalaba. Useless girl. Hey, what are you doing here? Get out! I said get out. Hey! Go and bring me water.
How many, sir? 1, 2.
Yeah! Be fast!
Since when did you decide that?
This morning. And I think that is what is best for our daughter right now.
Oh no, that's selfish. People's sons are dying because of our daughter.
It is not our fault and you know it.
And whose fault is it? It has always been your fault right from the onset. I told you about it and you wouldn't listen.
Wait, are you trying to blame me? Is that what you're trying to do?
My husband. But that's what it is. Have you forgotten?
My prince, calm down. Please calm down. I have been pleading with you, but you seem to enjoy flaring up at the least provocation.
The throne belongs to me. Can't you see it? The members of the royal council are conspiring to take the throne away from me.
Is that all? Ugochukwu, your brother, will still be the king. That means the throne is still within the family.
Enough! No more word from you. You are now siding with my brother against me, Oloma.
Ugochukwu is your brother. That means the dynasty is still within the Idena family.
Nonsense! Aram nonsense. Ugochukwu will never take the throne away from me as long as I live.
Be careful, my prince. Do not let your quest for the throne becloud your sense of reasoning, because it will certainly come back to haunt you.
Woman, I don't know what you're talking about. My mind is made up.
You see? It has always been your fault, right from the onset. Bitterness and impatience.
Olama, you can blame me for all I care. As far as I am concerned, Electra's trip to Australia has nothing to do with all of this. It has to do with a state of health. What Electra needs right now is a place to cool off so that she can continue with her life.
What about the curse? In case you need me to remind you, I will do just that. She's not immune to it no matter where she goes.
I am still the king and the man of this house. And whatever I say stands. Electra travels to Australia first thing tomorrow morning. End of discussion.
As your majesty pleases.
Evil that men do runs after them. Runs after them. The lessons of life. Men take life they need.
Motahata, Banamwa, Buhibu, Motahata, Banamwa, Toto, Monuhin, Monuhin, Moto, Jebula. I assure you, the rituals and sacrifices of Mbemboseke was successfully done, perfectly done to end the curse.
But I still see her in my dreams. And I just lost another fiancé.
If you keep seeing her in your dreams, that obviously is for another reason, not for the very first reason. For it takes only the innocent blood, to invoke the curse of the Black Moon.
What does that even mean? What innocent blood? I have never shed blood. No. But I want you to help me, please.
What it means is that an innocent blood is still out there seeking vengeance. An innocent blood is still out there seeking vengeance. The voices are still crying to the spirits of the night.
What?
Oh. Oh. In the recent past, something else happened.
Where are we going to? Why are you taking this strange route?
He's here.
Who? Your Majesty, the guard and I were on our way to the airport for me to board my Canadian flight after you paid me 20 million naira to disappear. What's now going on here?
Well, I just changed my mind.
I don't understand. Why?
My peace and that of my family can only be guaranteed if you are no more. And I'm here to... Idiot. Dad!
Your Majesty.
Dispose our corpse. Let's go back to the palace.
Okay, Your Majesty.
Idiot.
I'm sorry. What?
Yes, it happened. Yes.
What?
Yes, it happened.
Oh dear God. Oh dear God. You mean Alicia is dead? So this whole time that was her ghost? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God! My father did this! He did this! God! I miss you, Mom.
I miss you, Mom. But please do not forget to call me at all times. I hope you still have the contact of the therapist.
I do.
I need you to calm down. This whole thing is just to make you get, your shattered nerves back. That's all, please.
Nobody moves.
Who are you?
Detective Kinsley from Force Headquarters.
And how may I help you?
Your Highness, you're under arrest for the murder of Alicia Udo and the attempted murder of Richard Okeke.
Do you know what you are talking about?
Yes, Your Highness.
Do you know who you are talking to?
I am pretty sure of who I'm talking to, Your Highness.
Richard is dead. What attempted?
Hold on.
Please calm down, okay? I'm alive. Calm down, right?
Yes.
I'm alive. Alive.
It's alright. Richard.
Calm down, please. Your father here tried to murder me.
Strange routes.
He's here.
Who? Your Majesty, the guard and I were on our way to the airport for me to board my Canadian flight after you paid me 20 million naira to disappear. What's now going on here?
Well, I just changed my mind.
I don't understand. Why?
My peace and that of my family can only be guaranteed if you are no more. And I'm here to... Idiot. Dad!
Your Majesty.
Dispose our corpse. Let's go back to the palace. Richard, my daughter has told me loads about you. But I still want to ask, why my daughter, Richard? Don't tell me all this is love at first sight.
Your Highness, I just forwarded some videos to your phone. Open them and see. You'll get the answers to your question.
What? Richard? Who are you really?
I was there. I saw you. Your chief guard and Alicia.
Okay. So what do you want?
$100 million naira. And your daughter's hand in marriage.
What? What did you just say?
100 million.
Ooh! Look who we have here. Richard! Wow! You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Finally, we get to meet you. I've heard so much about you from my daughter.
Oh, yes.
Talking about her, where is she?
Well, she's upstairs. She's dressing up because we'll have a date.
In that case, I'll go hurry her up. Else, her makeup will last for 1 hour. Please, eh?
Alright, thank you.
Okay, just hold on, please.
Be fast about that.
Oh, sure, I will.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
What is the meaning of this? Richard, what is the meaning of this?
You heard me loud and clear. Do the needful.
Well, I thought Richard would be locked up in prison, never to come back again. But I'm surprised to see him here today too, in my own house.
Hold up. Yes. Hold up 1 second. Are you saying you already knew him before I brought him here to you?
Yes, but I did all that to protect you.
God damn, what did he say? You did what?
I said I did all that to protect you, my daughter.
To protect me?
Yes.
To protect...
Damn you! Damn you and your bloody protection! Look at this man! Alright. This whole time you had my mind! Shut up! You had my goddamn mind and brains twisted! You had me thinking that Richard's death was all on me! Meanwhile, you're the bloody devil incarnate! You're the stupid one-blooded!
Calm down, daughter. We are here.
God punish you!
Calm down, baby.
Punish your possession!
Please.
Yes! Who can you back? Now, food and back. I'm only for them. They can't succeed now. They can't succeed. You want to arrest me? Someone like me. It is impossible. Impo. And I am here. Huh? Wow, Papa. Hey, Papa. Papa down, Yaku, wow. Hello, Papa. Ha ha. Wow, Papa. Hello, Papa. If I let Papa down, Yaku, wow. Hello, Papa. Toboka, you are back. You are full time back. I want to follow me. This is the village. Now we get them. On your conscience, anybody that talks anyhow, it's never a prison. On your call, I be boy. I feel no near because I was in my father. Where better? I am gallantly. I have it here. Look at it. Look at. I am man in charge. I am man in charge. Wow, Papa. Hello, Papa. Papa Dana na Yaku. Hello, Papa. Papa Dana na Yaku. Hello, Papa. No, I don't land. I don't full time. Anybody that talks anyhow, anybody that does anyhow, I'm this is me! Chuka, you're back! You're back in your father's land. Can you go? Can you? Me! How can I make one about that? Full land! Nah, Namagu, Chuka, Namagu. Wow, Papa. Hello, Papa. Papa Dana na Yaku. Hello, Papa. Papa Dana na Yaku. Hello, Papa. Papa Dana na Yaku. Wow, Papa. Wow, Papa. Hello, Papa. Papa Dana na Yaku. Hello, Papa. Mama! 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 Your son is back! Mama!
Why are you here? Why are you not at the place of your work? What are you doing here?
Mama, this one you are breathing and you are sweating like a Christmas he-goat. I hope it's not what I'm suspecting.
What are you suspecting?
Mama, this sound I'm hearing, could you hear?
Sound again? What kind of sound are you talking about? I asked you a question and you've not answered me. Why are you not at the place of your work like others? What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
Forget about place of work now. See, forget about
what are you doing here?
I come to my father's house.
To do what? Eh? You're supposed to be at the palace working. What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
Mama, I'm hearing a sound of something. Oh.
Sound of what? Your head. I'm asking you, why are you not at the place of your work?
Hey! Hey! Please,
of palm wine. Abraham, it's here.
Chukwuka.
How dare you? Hey!
Will you stop that rubbish?
How many times have I warned you to stay clear from my mother? So you are here to service my mother.
You are here to... You see, when your father died, do you know how many years? He's been the one servicing my engine. And you're here talking. Do you want my engine to know? So what are you talking? Am I not a human being? Don't I have feelings?
Mama, see what you are talking about.
Shut up.
Yeah? So if you want to do something like that, is this coffin, this expired man?
Who told you he's expired? I am the one that will tell you if he's expired or not expired.
Mama, this man have one.
I am not complaining. Huh? He has not expired. He's still very strong.
No, you're very strong. Yes. You're strong.
Yes.
Just
Chuka, don't fight away that thing. Don't destroy that thing that is serving you.
Chukwuka, please. Don't bite. Don't bite, please. Chukwuka, don't bite.
What is wrong with you? Do you want to condemn my sin?
Fanta na koko loro. Fanta ebuli koko tonana. Hamona Fanta nwere ike. Oye ebuli koko tonana.
Chukwuka!
Hey! Why are you shouting why are you screaming my name like a hungry child? When did you turn from Onowu to a village town crier?
I am sorry, Your Highness. I am sorry.
Your Highness?
Yes.
Are you seeing the person you are calling Highness?
Mba. Mba. I am seeing you very well, Chukwuka. Ukpana the Great Dibia has revealed that you are not the biological son of Mbori. Huh? You are the son of the late Prince Ugochukwu. Yes, the thug hired by his brother to kill his pregnant wife spared her life at the last minute. But she later died after giving birth to you. The thugs buried her in the forest and took away the baby. They changed their mind about handing the baby over to the Igwe and abandoned him in another forest where Mbori and her late husband picked you up and brought you up as their son. You are a prince.
Are you playing with me? Or are you just lying?
Mba, I am not lying. Those were the words of Ukpana the Great. You are the next Igwe. Please, follow me to meet with the Royal Council. The council will tell you more. Please, follow me. Let us
go. Stop there. Look at you. So you can deceive me like this. See, let me tell you. It's like you have taken kai. Hang on, kai in this afternoon. So I cannot take it. See? Go your way. Let me go my way.
Chukwuka, follow me.
Hey!
Please, follow me. Please, let us go.
Man.
Let us go. Igwe. Let us go, Biko. Biko. Your Highness.
Remove your hand from my trouser.
Igwe.
This is the only trouser that I have.
Let us go, Igwe. The kingdom will buy many for you. Yes. They will buy as many as you want. Let us go, Biko. Biko, let us go. Igwe. Igwe. Your Majesty. Your Highness. Let's go. Igwe. Your Highness.
Emeka! Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please, don't kill me, Emeka. I'm sorry, please. Obina, please. Obina. Chinaya, please don't kill me. Please, I'm sorry. Chinaya! Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please don't kill me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please. Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. Please, I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry. Please, Chinaya, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry. Please.
Eke, Oye, Afo, Nkwo, your reign shall be well. No, Fojide. Igwe. Your Majesty, you can step down from the ancient mode. Let me take you to our people for proper introduction. Step down.
Evil that men do runs after them. The lessons of life. Men take life they never ever made, forgetting that God watches them. God is watching you. He's watching you. Your generation knows.